Hey there, today I have some Dollar Tree organizing hacks just for you. We're taking items that you normally use in the kitchen and I'm going to show you how to turn them into pieces that you can use to organize the rest of your home. If that sounds like something you want to see, stick around, it's coming right up. Everybody, I'm Sarah. Welcome to Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring projects. From easy crafts to seasonal home decor, you're gonna find new videos right here every week. If that sounds like your kind of thing, consider subscribing so you don't miss my next video. So today, I am showing you how to use some really inexpensive kitchen items to organize the rest of your home. Now I'm very excited because today's video is part of a collaboration with the DIY Mommy. This is her DIY Mommy DIY and Decor Challenge, and this month's theme is organization. So what that means is you're gonna find a playlist down in the description full of all kinds of video submissions all about organizing. So if you like this video, you're definitely gonna wanna check those out. So I'm gonna drop that playlist down in the description. Be sure to check that out when you're done with this video. So I went to my local Dollar Tree, one of my favorite spots, and I gathered up a few pieces and I am going to show you how I use them in the rest of my home to get organized. Let's jump in. For our first hack, we are going to start with a baking tray from Dollar Tree. Now I also want you to grab a can of Chalkboard spray paint. You can find a link to this down in the description. Take this out to a well-ventilated area and give it a couple of coats. When you come back inside, you're going to want to take a piece of chalk and just run it over that board, and that's going to season the chalkboard so then you can use it. Now, I played around with how I wanted to do this here. We're going to add some stickers for the days of the week. You can also use a chalk marker or a piece of chalk. I've kind of played around with writing different letters on here, but I opted for the stickers ultimately. So we've got all of the days of the week listed down on the bottom, and then I'm using some white puffy stickers up on the top. We are turning this baking tray into a menu board so you can get your kitchen organized and plan out your meals for the week. This way you and your whole family will know what's for dinner. Couple ways to use this menu board. You can grab a chalk marker, this is my favorite chalk marker, and just write in what you're going to have for dinner every day. And then you can just easily erase this with a wet paper towel. Or you can go ahead and write your favorite meals, your go-to meals, on paper, and then laminate them and use magnets to add those meals to the menu board for each day of the week. Next up, let's use that same baking tray, and this time we're going to turn it into a memo board. Grab a piece of cotton fabric, a ruler, a scissors, and some spray adhesive. This spray glue is my absolute favorite. You can find that down in the description as well. We're going to measure our board and then measure the fabric and cut out a piece of fabric to attach to the board. Now our fabric doesn't quite cover the whole board. We're going to add a little something special to the top there. This is dry erase tape. So you can stick it to any surface and then use that surface as a whiteboard. So I'm just going to cut a piece and add it to the top of our board. Then using a light coating of spray glue on the baking tray there, we're just going to attach the fabric, smoothing it out and make sure it's sticking really well in all of the corners. Now we're going to clean up that little gap between the fabric and the dry erase tape with just a piece of blue washi tape. This memo board is great for business cards, photos, notes, anything you might have laying around. Hang it up in your office and put some dry erase markers next to it so you can add notes to the top as well. Next up, we're going to use a cooling rack found at the dollar store, and we are going to make this into a picture hanger. Grab some command hooks and put them on the wall, and then just hang your cooling rack right on top of there. Then grab some pretty binder clips, add them to the cooling rack, and you're ready to hang up whatever you want to display. So from a few simple Dollar Tree items, some baking sheets and a cooling rack, I'm able to organize my kitchen and my office, and even a little bit in my mudroom. We made a menu board, we made a memo board, and we made a decorative wall hanging to store pictures and notes and that type of thing. So I hope that these projects have inspired you to use some of those everyday items to get organized. So if you're loving these ideas, let me know down below in the comments which one was your favorite and which one you want to go try first. For more simple, inspiring projects just like this, be sure to subscribe to Creative Ramblings so you don't miss my next video. Now head down to the description and check out that DIY Mommy Challenge playlist with all kinds of inspiring organization ideas that you're gonna love. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I will see you next week. Bye-bye.